Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Crochet for Baby. Thank you for watching and thank you for subscribing. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this stitch. This stitch, I believe it's called the basket weaved crochet stitch. I did it with 2 front post double crochets and 2 back post double crochets, and all you do is alternate between those 2 stitches, and this is what it looks like. It's got lots of texture, it's reversible, perfect for baby blankets. I'm using this stitch to make this little sweater that I'll have a tutorial for you soon, and this is what it looks like. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started, and thank you for watching. Okay, to begin, I'm using a 4mm crochet hook, and today I'm using light number 3 baby yarn. You can use any yarn as long as you use the recommended hook size for the yarn that you're going to use. The stitch multiple is 2. So I have 32 chains here. To begin, on the 4th chain from the hook, 1, 2, 3, 4, I'm going to make 1 double crochet. Then on the next chain, same thing, 1 double crochet. This is all we're going to do for this first row, 1 double crochet into each one of these chains. So continue like this all the way to the end. I will meet you there to show you how we're going to complete this first row and then start on our second row. Okay, I'm here at the end. I have a total of 30 double crochets. I finished with 1 double crochet into this last chain. Now for the second row, we're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3. We're going to turn, and now here, beginning into these 2 double crochets, not this one because this one has the 3 chains on top. We're always going to begin with 3 chains and end with a double crochet. So into these next 2 double crochets, we're going to make front post double crochets, and into the next 2 back post double crochets, the next 2 front post double crochets, and so on until you get to the end. So beginning here, into this next double crochet, we're going to make a front post double crochet. So yarn over, insert your hook through one side, come out the other, pull up a loop, and make your double crochet. Into the next double crochet, again, yarn over, insert your hook through one side, come out the other, pull up a loop, and make your double crochet. Okay, just like this. Now the next 2 are going to be back post double crochet. So yarn over, insert your hook through the back, come through the front, wrap the hook around this double crochet, and pull up a loop and make your double crochet. Again, the next one, yarn over, insert your hook through the back, go around the double crochet, pull up a loop, and finish your double crochet. Okay, so the next 2 now we're going to work front post double crochet. So yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, make your double crochet. Again, yarn over, insert your hook through one side, come out the other, pull up a loop, and make your double crochet. Okay, so the next 2 are going to be back post double crochet. Yarn over, insert your hook through the back, wrap your hook around this double crochet, pull up a loop, and make your double crochet. Okay, and then again into the next double crochet, a back post double crochet. Again, these next 2 are going to be front post double crochet, so you're just going to alternate between 2 front post double crochets and 2 back post double crochets, just like this. So the next 2 are going to be back posts. And then the next two front posts. Okay, this is all you're going to do for this row, alternating between 2 front post double crochets and 2 back post double crochets. And this is what it looks like. Okay, so continue like this. I will meet you here at the end to show you how we're going to complete this second row and then start on our third row. Okay, I'm here at the end. My last 2 double crochets were back post double crochets. Yours may have been front post double crochets, it doesn't matter. Okay, so now here to complete this row, I'm just going to make 1 double crochet into this 3 chain space, and this is how I complete this second row. Now for the third row, we're going to chain 3, we're going to turn, and now if you notice, these 2 double crochets are a little raised compared to these 2 that look like they're in the back. Okay, so if your double crochets look like mine, a little raised, then you're going to make a back post double crochet into your first one, and the same thing into the next one, a back post double crochet. Okay, and then we have these next 2, they look like they're in the back, so we're going to make these into front posts double crochets. 1, 2. Okay, and then the next 2 are a little raised, so those are going to be back posts double crochets. 1, 2, and then the next 2 front posts double crochets. 1, 2, the next 2 back posts double crochets. 1, 2, and this is all you're going to do for this third row. And for the fourth row, it's going to be just about the same. Okay, so back post, front posts double crochets. Okay, so I'm not going to show you all the way to the end. Continue like this, making 2 front post double crochets and 2 back post double crochets, and this is what it looks like. Here's your basket weave crochet stitch. Okay, so I'll see you here at the end to show you how we're going to complete this third row and then show you the fourth row. Okay, I'm here at the end of this third row. My last 2 double crochets were front post double crochets. So remember that, so that when you do your fourth row, you'll know that the first 2 double crochets are going to be front post double crochets. That's another good way to remember how you're going to begin each row. So here to end this row, I'm just going to make 1 double crochet into this last chain 3 space, and this is how I complete this row. Now for the fourth row, we're going to chain 3, we're going to turn, and remember I told you that my last 2, these 2 were front post, then these 2 are going to be front post double crochets. If for some reason your double crochets were back post double crochets, then here in the beginning they're going to be back post double crochets. Okay, so then these next 2, remember they're a little raised, so those are going to be back post double crochets. Okay, the next 2 are going to be front posts, and the next 2 are going to be back posts. And this is all there is to this basket weave crochet stitch. Okay, 2 front post double crochets and 2 back post double crochets. And there you have it. Okay, so you just continue to the end, and here's our stitch. This is what it looks like. And here's my little sweater again that I'm doing. This is what it looks like. It's very pretty. I think this stitch is more masculine, and that's why I'm using it to make this little cardigan that I'm working on. Okay, so this has been today's tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time.